Excuse me, is this seat free? The salon is a little busy today. I feel a bit nervous because I want a haircut, but I do not know the right English words.
Yes, this seat is free. You can sit here. Do not worry. I can help you with simple English for the hair salon.
Thank you, that is very kind of you. I came here this weekend because I finally have free time. I want to cut my hair, but I am afraid I may say the wrong thing.
That is okay. Many people feel that way in a new situation. We can practice easy sentences, and you can use them with confidence.
That sounds great. First, how can I say that I want a haircut, but not a big change? I only want it to look neat and fresh.
You can say, I would like a haircut, please. You can also say, just a trim, please, if you only want a small cut. Another good sentence is, I do not want too much off.
Oh, just a trim sounds very useful. My hair is a little long now and the ends look dry. I want to keep the length, but I want it to look healthier.
Then you can say, please trim the ends. You can also say, please keep the length, or just take a little off. Those are simple and clear sentences.
Good, I think I can remember that. What if I want my hair a little shorter in the front? I also want it soft around my face.
You can say, I want it a little shorter in the front. If you want soft shape around your face, you can say, I would like some face framing layers. If that feels too hard, just say, soft layers around my face, please.
I see, that is not too difficult. I also hear people talk about bangs, but I am not sure how to ask about them.
You can say, I would like bangs if you want them cut. If you are not sure, you can ask, do you think bangs would look good on me? That is a nice way to ask for advice.
That is helpful. I do not think I want bangs today, but maybe later. Today I want something simple, clean, and easy to take care of.
Then you can say, I want a simple style, or I want something easy to manage. Hairdressers hear those sentences all the time. They will understand you very well.
What about the back and the sides? Sometimes I want to explain exactly how short I want it, but I do not know how. I do not want it too short near my shoulders.
You can say, please cut a little off the back and the sides. You can also say, please leave it around shoulder length. If you want to be very clear, say, not too short, please.
That sounds easy enough. I think I need short and direct sentences like that. Long sentences make me nervous when I speak English.
Short sentences are perfect. In fact, simple English is often better in places like this. Clear words help more than difficult words.
You are right. Now I want to ask about washing my hair first. How do I say that I want a shampoo before the haircut?
You can say, could you wash my hair first, please? Another easy sentence is, I would like a shampoo before the cut. If you also want conditioner, you can ask, could you use conditioner too, please?
Great, I like that. My hair feels a little dry these days, so conditioner would be nice. What if they ask me if I want a hair treatment?
If they ask that, you can answer, yes, please, or no, thank you. If you want to ask the price first, say, how much is the treatment? That is very useful because salons often have extra services.
Oh yes, the price is important. I do not want any surprise at the end. How can I ask about the cost of the haircut in a polite way?
You can say, how much is a haircut? Or, how much does it cost? If you want to be more specific, say, how much is the haircut with wash and blow dry? That will help you know the full price.
I like that question. It is simple and very practical. I also want to know how to say that I do not want anything too expensive.
You can say, I want something simple, not too expensive. You can also ask, do you have a basic haircut package? Those phrases are polite and easy to understand.
This is really helping me. I feel more relaxed now. I think I can talk to the stylist, but I still worry that I may not understand the questions.
That is normal. If you do not understand, you can say, "Could you say that again, please?" Or, "Could you speak more slowly, please?" Those two sentences can save you in many situations.
Yes, I need those. Sometimes people speak fast and I miss one or two words. Then I feel shy and I just smile.
You do not need to feel shy. You are learning, and that is a good thing. Most people will be happy to repeat or explain if you ask politely.
Thank you, Alex. What if I want to see how much they plan to cut before they start? I want to be careful because my hair grows slowly.
Then say, "Could you show me how much you will cut?" You can also say, "Please show me the length before you cut it." That makes your request very clear.
That is exactly what I need. I always worry when someone cuts too much hair. I want to feel safe before they begin.
Of course. You can even add, "Please cut a little first." Then, if you like it, they can cut a bit more. That is a smart way to stay comfortable.
That is a very good idea. After the haircut, I may want them to dry my hair too. How do I ask for that?
You can say, "Could you blow dry my hair, please?" If you want a simple finish, say, "Just a simple blow dry, please." If you do not want curls, you can say, "No curls, please, just natural."
Perfect. I usually like my hair natural and smooth. I do not need a fancy style today because I am just going home after this.
Then your sentence is easy. You can say, "Please keep it natural and simple." That tells the stylist exactly what you want.
What if the stylist shows me a mirror and asks if I like it? I want to answer politely, whether I like it or not. Can you help me with that too?
Sure. If you like it, say, "Yes, I like it very much, thank you." If you want a small change, say, "It looks good, but could you make it a little shorter here, please?"
That sounds polite and safe. I never want to sound rude, especially when someone is trying to help me. I just want to explain my ideas clearly.
And that is exactly what these sentences do. They are polite, simple, and useful. You do not need perfect English. You just need clear English.
I am starting to believe that now. Let me try to say everything in order. I would like a haircut, please. Just a trim. Please keep the length, trim the ends, wash my hair first, and make it simple and natural.
That was excellent. It sounded natural and easy to understand. You can also add, "How much does it cost with wash and blow dry?" And then you are fully ready.
Okay, let me say it one more time. I would like a haircut, please. Just a trim. Please keep the length, trim the ends, wash my hair first, and how much does it cost with wash and blow dry?
Perfect, Sophia. That is clear, polite, and very good English for the salon. I think you are ready to speak to the stylist now.
I feel much better now, honestly. A few minutes ago, I was worried and confused. Now I feel calm, and I even feel excited for my haircut.
I am glad to hear that. Sometimes we only need a little practice and a few simple phrases. After that, everything feels easier.
Thank you for helping me today. You explained everything in such a simple way. I think I can use these sentences again in the future, too.
You are welcome. These phrases are useful in many salons, so they will help you again. Good luck, and I hope you love your new haircut.
Thank you, Alex. I am going to talk to the stylist now. I hope my hair will look fresh, soft, and pretty by the time I leave.
I am sure it will. You know what to say, and you know what you want. That is the best start for a good haircut.